Okay. She could not believe it. The boys looked so disappointed. She sadly put on the black and blue scarf and sat at the table with a group of strangers. Luckily, she found her friends, Charla, Annie, and Megan at her table.
I thought they were strangers.
If they were strangers, how are they friends? Right. Guys, I didn't know you were witches. Yeah, we just found out this summer, said Megan. We can't believe we are in the same house.
They're such good friends that they didn't bother telling each other they're witches. all summer long. No one brought it up. Got the socks.
So there was good news after all. They began to head back to their new homerooms when Hiei stopped Dally in the hall. Listen, Dally, I want to tell you something, said Hiei. I like you. I like you too, Hiei.
This is how a normal 11-year-old
I don't
interact.
know how they're speaking if her face fell off.
And who names a kid Hiei?
How is Hiei spelled?
H-E or H-I-E-I. But this last time when I said I like you too, Hiei, it's H-I-E-I-E.
They misspelled their own character's name?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Fuck it.
She said softly.
Well, her face fell off.
When he kissed her, did he kiss the where her face had fallen off on the floor?
Yeah.
There's just this like.
At this point, she's picked it up and carrying it around with her.
Oh, okay.
She's like holding it up like a piece of paper, like just flops her out.
Mwah! Then he kissed her, and their lips met like fire. Okay, that's enough, said a voice. It was Professor Umbridge, the defense against the dark arts teacher. Go to
so
your
this is
rooms.
somewhere in that line. Okay.
I'll see you tomorrow, said Hiei, and kissed her again. I said enough, god damn it, shouted the professor.
Okay, she never cursed like that in the movie or books, but okay.
Bye, said Dally.
She wasn't even there for the fifth book.
They left from the darkness. Two eyes watched. It was Edward. He was mad.
He was mad because he's a 17-year-old in a class full of 11-year-olds.
He got held back a couple years. God damn it!
And he's already like 200.
How dare you? So
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's by the way the end of that's the end of chapter 1.
How many more chapters are there? I might pee on myself.
16.
16.
Oh
Well,
god. Are we reading all of
the
these?
one that I have, Bad Apple, it has short chapters as well, and it's bad. It's just bad in a totally different way. This person actually thinks of themselves as a good writer, so. We'll
Okay, go to
what-
chapter 2. But if I
can we
start
make this-
peeing, we gotta stop.
Can we make this a series?
Sure.
Reading this?
It's just,
This one.
We'll read a chapter at a time, Polly. How about that? How many chapters does yours have?
36, I think.
Oh God.
But
Yeah, we can't do
they're
all
short.
that
Like
tonight.
all these fanfics, their chapters are quite short. So
I'm just saying, like, we should do, like, I don't know.
Like do this like weekly.
Yeah.
I'm just reading ahead.
no, don't do that.
Okay, go.
Spoilers!
Do you want me to continue on to chapter 2?
Yeah.
I say yeah.
Okay.
Do it! Stalin face.
Okay. Chapter 2. Dally sat in the common room of Ravenpaw, sketching a picture of Hiei and thinking of his kiss. Suddenly, Sei looks up at the fire in front of her, and a face appeared. The fire turned blue like water, but it was fire, and the eyes wee yellow. Hello, said the fire. Mom, asked Dally. Mom?
That's kind of a thing, but, like, why is she able to?
just looking at a fire going, Mom?
How did Far get here?
Oh, I invited Far by because I saw that she was. Hello, Far.
Are you?
You're
gonna
enjoy this. You're gonna enjoy this.
You are going to enjoy this.
It's a hard
fan fiction.
Yeah, it's a Hogwarts fan fiction that has Edward Collins just shoved in it for no reason.
And Shadow the Hedgehog.
Well, so he could go grrr because he's in love with an 11-year-old apparently.
And hang on, Mom said Daly while speaking to Fire. Then
speaking to Fire.
Sorry. Jut then Mystique came out of the fire. She was naked, but she didn't have nipples.
Why did Mystique come out of a fire? What is happening?
Now that you are...
Why is she like Major Motoko with no nipples suddenly? I don't get this.
Well, because Mystique, when she's naked, doesn't have nipples.
Oh, okay.
Blue
All right.
skellies.
I'm caught up to date. Right.
Yeah, okay.
Now that you are a wizard, I can give you my powers, said Mystique.
Oh, dude.
That's now. Okay, first we have Colin from Twilight. Now we have X-Men's Mystique giving her powers from a fire with her that just apparently Mystique popped out of her mom's face.
Mm-hmm.
With Shadow the Hedgehog nearby.
She handed me an orb, and suddenly the room turned colors.
So she gave her drugs. All right.
So I just got someone just knocked on the seat on my floor because I'm above like my neighbors.
And you're being loud, laughing your ass off.
I'm being loud, laughing, and like slamming my fist on my desk. Someone just like took a broom and just went bang, 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 bang.
Damn kids!
I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's gonna help. Scream more. Okay.
It's only 4 a.m.
It's mega dusk. What do they expect? This is the time of
screamed Della. She was in a lot of pain and suffrage.
Did she forget her character's name because it was not Della?
She was in pain and suffrage. She was demanding those voting rights.
I'm more worried about how the main chick's becoming more and more Bella because before that was not her name.
Just 2 paragraphs before it was Dally, now it's Della. All of a sudden,
now it's Della. She's slowly turning into Bella.
Who was Della making out with in the hallway?
Hey you, hey I,
he.
The Asian kid.
I would say I think you would know
Della,
if
right?
No, it was Dally. Dally.
Now it's Della. Apparently, when she got her powers from a Mystique that popped out of her mom's fiery face, her name changed. She popped out of her mom's fire. Her name changed to Della. Ow. I'm hurting. Ow. Ow. I got a cramp in my stomach. Ow.
I do too.
I want to find out what happened with the orb, man. Quit me in suspense.
Okay.
The room has turned colors.
The room has turned colors. Ah! Screamed Dally. She was in a lot of pain and suffrage. Then
she can vote now.
I'm trying so hard, like, not to laugh now. It hurts. It really hurts.
Ow. Mystique. Go.
Then Mystique disappeared, leaving Dally with a belt with an X on it. She was now a mutant.
So she's a vampire witch mutant. Vampire witch mutant.
That's fucking great. So she's a mutant wizard.
This 11-year-old's having the weirdest puberty ever. This is the weirdest puberty ever.
I love that she got the belt by the orb that made her.
Yeah, you get mutant power orbs that cause you to vote.
Oh my god.
Okay, so she's got her mutant belt, and what happens?
Oh, baby, are you okay? Oh no, we killed him. Okay, we need to take a short break so he doesn't die.
Did you want to pause recording for the time being? Yeah? Okay.
Let's pause because he's actually